Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we talked about organizing your conversations. Today, we are covering something really powerful, that is Claude's memory feature. This is what makes Claude actually remember you across conversations, so you are not re-explaining who you are and what you're working on every single time. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what Claude remembers, and most importantly, how you stay in full control of it. So let's get into it. So first, what is memory? It has no idea what you talked about yesterday. Memory changes that. Claude quietly builds up an understanding of you over time, your role, the kind of work you do, your projects, how you like things written, and it carries that into every new conversation automatically. Now here's something important. There are actually two separate features that work together, and people mix them up all the time. Let me clear that up right now. So first, what is memory? Normally, every new chat with Claude starts completely fresh. It has no idea what you talked about yesterday. Memory changes that. When it's on, Claude quietly builds up an understanding of you over time, your role, the kind of work you do, your projects, how you like things written, and it carries that into every new conversation automatically. Now here's something important. There are actually two separate features that work together and people mix them up all the time. Let me clear that up right now. Feature number 1, search and reference past chats. This lets Claude go back and look through your old conversations when you ask it to. Like, hey, how did we decide about the recipe last week? And it will find it. Feature number 2 is memory itself. This is where Claude automatically creates a summary of everything it's learned about you and uses it in new chats. One quick heads up, memory is free for everyone in all plans, but searching past chats is only on the paid plans, Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise. So if you're on the free plan and you don't see the search toggle, that's why. Okay, let's go control all of this. Click your profile icon down in the bottom left corner, then click Settings. Now go to Capabilities tab. This is the home base for everything memory related. Everything I show you from here lives on this one screen. First toggle, search and reference chats. When this is on, you can just talk to Claude naturally and ask it about old conversations. When Claude searches your old chats, you will actually see it happen right inside the conversation as a little tool call. So it's never doing anything behind your back. If you ever want to turn it off, just flip this toggle. Simple. Next is the memory toggle. This is a big one. Turn this on and Claude starts building a memory of you. Behind the scenes, it summarizes your conversations and updates the summary roughly every 24 hours, then uses it as a context in every new chat. What does it actually remember? Work-focused stuff like your role and professional context, your projects and ongoing work, your communication style and preferences, and if you're technical, your coding preferences too. It's designed to remember the things that make working with it smoother. Now this is my favorite part. You can actually see everything Claude remembers about you. Click View and Edit Memory, and this Manage Memory box pops up. Everything Claude knows about you is right here in plain text, nothing hidden. And you have full control. You can edit it, you can delete the things that are out of date, and you can even add your own instructions. See this pencil icon in the bottom left corner? Click that and you can tell Claude exactly what you want it to remember. Like, I run a YouTube channel about AI tools, or always keep me writing casual or professional, or anything that you want to add in the instructions. Here's a shortcut a lot of people don't know. You don't have to come into settings. You can just tell Claude inside any conversation, remember that I prefer short replies, or remember I am working on a project called XYZ, and it updates your memory right then and there. And the best part, that change applies to your next conversation immediately, so you don't have to wait for the daily update. Super handy. Now let's say you want to stop memory. Click the memory toggle off and you will get two options, and these are very different, so pay attention. First, pause memory. This keeps everything Claude already remembers, but it stops using it and stops making new memories. Think of it like a freeze. Nothing gets deleted, and anything you talk about while it's paused won't be saved. Second, reset memory. This one permanently deletes everything, including your project memories. And I want to be really clear, this cannot be undone. Once it's gone, it's gone. So only use reset if you genuinely want a clean slate. If you just want a break, use pause memory option. Quick but important point, projects have their own separate memory. So a project's memory is kept completely separate from your normal chats and from your other projects. That's actually great, because your work project doesn't get mixed up with your personal stuff. each project stays focused on just its own context. We will go way deeper into the projects in the next video. Now, what if you want to talk to Claude about something private, something you do not want saved or remembered at all? That's what Incognito chats are for, and these are free for everyone. Start a new chat outside of a project and look in the top right corner. You will see this little icon. Click it and you are in an Incognito chat. Nothing here gets saved to your history and nothing gets added to the Claude's memory. It's a temporary private conversation. When you are done and want Claude to start remembering again, just close it. Perfect for one-off stuff. One more nice control, when Claude pulls something from an old conversation, it shows you a little citation linking back to that exact chat. So you can see where the information came from, and right from there you get the option to delete that specific conversation if you don't want it referenced anymore. So full transparency, full control. And here's a newer one. You can actually import your memory from other AI tools into Claude or export your Claude memory as a backup. So if you're switching over from another AI assistant, you don't have to start from zero. Just a heads up, this feature is still experimental and being improved, so results can vary, but it's there and it's pretty cool. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, turn memory on early, and sooner you do, the faster Claude gets useful to you. Second, don't wait for Claude to guess your preferences, just tell it directly, like, remember I prefer the bullet points, remember my brand is called this. Explicit is always better. Third, check your memory every now and then and clean out anything outdated. Your work changes, your memory should too. Fourth, use Incognito for anything private or sensitive you don't want saved. And fifth, remember past keeps your memory, reset deletes it forever. Don't mix those two up. And that's it. You now know how memory works, what Claude remembers, and how to view and edit it, how to pause or reset it, how to use Incognito chats, and how to stay in complete control. In the next video, we are finally diving into projects. We will create a brand new project from the scratch, and I will show you everything you can do with it. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped, leave any questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.